Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a family rooms. Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers. This Florida hotel features an outdoor pool and guest rooms with free Wi-Fi and cable TV with HBO. It is 4 miles from Imaginarium Hands-On Museum and Aquarium. Rooms at Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers are furnished with hairdryers. They also include microwaves, refrigerators and coffee makers. This Fort Myers Travelodge by Wyndham offers guests a 24-hour mini-mart. The hotel also provides a business center and meeting facilities. Edison Mall is less than 1 mile from Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers. The hotel is within 13 miles of Southwest Florida International Airport and Fort Myers Beach. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.